So we were just gifted this handheld thermal imager by VEVOR, and first impressions are it's a good size unit. It feels really good in the hand, very like heavy duty. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Nice rubber grip on it, nice trigger control. The top here, you have your USB port for charging and data transfer. On the front, you do have a lens cover, so that pops open. And then on the back, you have this really nice screen. The unit also comes with a nice little storage bag, your instructions, and then a charging cable as well. Also came with this nice little lanyard here. So all in all, this is a very nice looking unit, and let's go try it out and I'll show you the different screen functions. All right, so you can see that the indicator shows the different hot points. And up on top, max, we're at 153 degrees Fahrenheit, and the minimum, which is the ground, over here, we're at 70 degrees Fahrenheit. So all the different colors, we can go through the different modes. And if I hit the trigger, I've taken a picture of it. Now we can go at different image modes, different pic parameters. There's my photos, so I can hit OK. Hit OK, there's the photo that I just took, so you can export that for future reference. Also discard, and you can also take video. And here's all your settings, different brightness levels. You could change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit, temperature range, alarm settings. So it's got a wide range of different functions. Format your memory in there. Here you can choose the different color options, depending on what you like. White hot, black hot, rainbow colors, iron, red hot, so forth. So a lot of variations here with this unit. And again, the nice spot is it's going to give you the different ranges. So this is the hottest point, correlates with 160 degrees, and then your coldest point is over here, which is going to be 70 degrees, which is the ground. So very cool. All right, so you guys saw the function of this unit. Again, I am very impressed with it. Great price point. This is definitely going to stay in the toolbox for doing inspections and so forth, and just checking different temperatures on the job site for electrical cables, things like that. So very nice unit.